Hey, today I'm going to show you how to add an AdSpace widget in your website. This is a feature that is specific to the theme that I'm currently using on WordPress, which, let's see, I believe it's called Pretty Chic. Yep, so I'm using the Pretty Chic theme by StudioPress, and that has an AdSpace widget available for the website, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Now, one of the plugins that I'm also using for this particular feature, let me see if I can find exactly which one it's called. Can't remember the exact name, sorry. I don't remember exactly which one it's called. Widget options. Okay, here it is. So it is this widget options plugin by PHPBit Creative Studio. And I'm just using the free version. And I'll show you guys what that does here as well. So what we're going to do is from the appearance widget section of WordPress is we're going to go ahead and add an image widget into this AdSpace section. And then we're going to go ahead and pick an image. Now, I created these images using Canva. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Canva or whatever program you want to use. And the dimensions that I'm using for our desktop banner are 2480 for the width, and I am using 277 for the height. Okay, and then you can design this however you'd like. And what you're going to do is once you have a design ready, I've already got one created, you're going to go into your media, and you're going to go ahead and pick that banner. So we've already got ours created here. Then you can go ahead and paste whatever link you want that image to link to once they click on it. And then here's where we have that plugin that I was talking about. So you can actually hide this on certain pages if you don't want it to show up on certain pages. But I use this because this banner doesn't look very good on mobile. It actually shrinks down way too small. So I like to show this one only on desktop. So I'm going to check off the ones I want it to hide on, and I want it to only show up on desktop. So then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And then done. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop one more image here because I'm going to do the mobile friendly version. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, but I'm going to find our mobile friendly banner. And the mobile friendly one is going to be the dimensions. This one is 820 for the width by 312 height. Okay, so it's going to look like this guy here. And then you can do the same thing, add a link, and then I'm going to say I want to only hide this on desktop, and then save it. So now what that's going to look like on the front end whoops, I think it's so you want to make sure the size is set to full size, otherwise it'll shrink it down. So let me go ahead and fix that. Otherwise it's going to show up super tiny. And I'll do that on both images. Full size. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. There you go. So there's the full size banner. And then when I go ahead and shrink it down, you see it switches to the mobile size banner. And I don't think it's updated that I changed the sizing of it yet, so it's still being a little funky, but it will automatically adjust to the mobile size version. which works out really well. So that is easy as that. If you have any questions, just go ahead and pop them in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.